we're definitely happy, and then for sure we're gonna keep you guys. My biggest challenge before having this VA, before this, I had another VA which my partner kind of had contact with, and the communication between both of us wasn't all there. We will text, or we will try to contact them, and we will not get a reply for like an hour or two or stuff like that. So communication wasn't all there. They will. That's one of the big factors that we wanted to see in the company is faster communication, faster response. And if I ask a question, I expect an answer today, not tomorrow. And that's what we were kind of having trouble with. We got this person on a website that starts with the letter F, and after a while they just stopped responding. After a while they just kind of bailed out, like the VA and the VA manager, they just bailed out. So right after that happened, we kind of lost. We wanted to work with somebody that we knew, somebody that was either local or that we knew it had a name to it. And that's where I met Anton, and I went to a Rectify, and that's when I went to a REI call center. And the response I got from them and the communication was a lot better, more fluent. Like if I ask a question, I will get a response within the next 10 minutes, which is a big plus. Especially if you're in wholesaling, when you're doing cold call, or if you're switching lists, that's something you want to have a control over. That's something you want to be, know what's going on. Well, one thing that changes is that we started getting more leads, because REI has like multiple dialing, stuff like that. So technically, you do a lot more dials in the amount of time that you have, which is what with the other VA it wasn't doing. So now that we go to the REI call center, we actually start getting more leads. So there's probably like 2 to 6 leads per day. So if you do that per day for 5 days, it really stacks up. So you really, by the end of the week, you get like probably 20 or 30 leads in general. Now put that week in a month. You start generating so much more leads, because it's a lot more like they do their work, and it's a lot more you get more bang for your buck, pretty much. So you know exactly what they're doing in the back end. So right now we're having a better fluid on leads coming in that people want to sell, which is a big plus. You just want to have more leads. You never want to run out of leads. And that's something that we've seen the call center actually accomplish. Yeah, we're definitely happy, and then for sure we're going to keep you guys, as long as the business keeps on going, which, it's not going to stop. I want to say at least to give it a try for a month or two, because it really saves you a lot of time. Like for me, like I can't be doing wholesaling full time. I have to do it part time. So technically, for me, in order for this business to grow, I want somebody to work on it while I'm working my full time job. So right now, I work my full time job, and I really need someone else, a VA, which is is the person you want to have. He's doing those cold calls while you're at work. That way, by the time you're off at work, you can go ahead and get those leads in. Because if you're one man army and you want to work and you want to do cold call, you're not going to go anywhere. You're going too many different directions. So just go ahead. If you have a full-time job, work that full-time job and have that money go towards the cold calling. But technically, that cold caller is your first partner or is your first employee. So you really want to make sure to have someone else to do the work while you're doing something else. Because time is something you want to get back, and time is something people can't buy. So whatever saves you the most time, I'll recommend that's where you spend your money, because that investment will let's say you spend $1,000, let's say $1,000 per month. Within that month, you can get 2 or 3 deals out of that. So technically, you spend 1,000, but technically in the back end, you already made 30 to 40,000. So really, when you make the math, it's worth it. As you spend on it, you start building and building and building and building. And next thing you know, before you know it, you're going to be up here instead of being down here. But all you have to do is just spend it, just kind of invest in yourself a day at a time, and just wait and start seeing the results. A lot of people, they want to be rich overnight, which is never going to happen. But you just got to invest and just wait for everything to come back.